The next battlefield may not be humans. Drones and AI are taking over, watching, waiting. Algorithms control the weapons. Every move is tracked, every threat calculated. The future of war is silent, fast, invisible. AI decides the balance of power. Autonomous drones patrol borders without fatigue. Robotic soldiers are trained for precision missions. AI analyzes millions of data points in seconds and predicts human decisions before they're made. But what happens when machines control the fate of millions? Command centers operate around the clock. Simulations and live exercises test every possible scenario. The future of war will be dictated by intelligence, not numbers. Nations are already investing billions in AI defense systems. From surveillance to autonomous strikes, the battlefield is changing. Cyber warfare integrates with physical operations. Decision-making is faster, more precise, but also more opaque. As machines take the lead, human oversight becomes critical. Every move, every strike, every decision can be amplified globally within seconds. Autonomous weapons can strike without warning. Artificial intelligence coordinates multi-domain warfare. Every algorithm can change the course of a battle in seconds. Human judgment must adapt to machine speed. AI does not sleep. It watches, it calculates. The future of war is here, silent, fast, and globally connected. AI-guided missile systems can strike with pinpoint accuracy. Naval fleets deploy autonomous submarines and drones. Satellites monitor every movement on the ground. Autonomous tanks patrol deserts and urban zones. Commanders coordinate multinational operations seamlessly. AI predicts enemy strategies before they are executed. Urban centers face unseen surveillance from above. AI-controlled artillery responds faster than humans. Cyber attacks can disable entire networks instantly. Autonomous reconnaissance uncovers hidden threats. High-tech simulations ensure no decision is left to chance. Every strike, every movement, every calculation is connected globally. Global surveillance connects every battlefield in real time. Every decision, every strike resonates across nations instantly. The future of war is real, unfolding now across our planet silently. Strategies are tested worldwide in labs and active battlefields daily. Machines, algorithms, and humans merge, shaping tomorrow's conflicts. Strategy, intelligence, speed, precision now decide who survives. The war of the future is fought silently, swiftly, invisibly already. Autonomous systems move across land, sea, sky, unnoticed and precise. Every decision is monitored and calculated in milliseconds continuously. AI combines satellite, drone, cyber and battlefield intelligence seamlessly. Humans guide machines, yet the pace is unrelenting, unforgiving, always. The world watches silently as these wars reshape global power rapidly. The World War III Watching Only channel. The War Unfiltered.